Morning class, I am your computer teacher of class 3. Today I will continue the reading of chapter number 1 on page number 7. Open page 7. Functioning of computer. Computer is an electronic machine. There are lots of devices in it and each device has different function. A computer works on the principle of input process output. In this way, it functions in 3 stages. Input device is used for giving input like keyboard and mouse. Input, the data that is given to a computer for processing is called input. For example, to get the output as computer, we type all the letters COMPUTER. Processing, we type these letters separately, but the computer processes these letters. Result, after processing, the result is displayed on the screen in the form of output. Therefore, monitor is an output device. Data, every bit of information that is given to the computer is called data, like number, letter, lines, shapes, etc. Input, the data that we give to computer is called input. This work is done by input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. Come to next page. Processing. The computer processes the given data. It works according to the given instructions. This process is called processing. In a computer, this work is done by CPU. Output. After processing, the result obtained from the computer is called output. This result is obtained from output devices like monitor, printer, etc. Read this example and understand. In our daily lives, also we complete our work in 3 stages. For instance, let us assume that your mother has sent you to the market for buying pastries and chips. Her instructions and the money given to you by her are input. When you work in order to follow her instructions, like going to market, buying pastries and chips is the process. When you come back home after buying pastries and chips from the market is the output. Now, comparison between computer and calculator. The word calculator is derived from the word calculate. It only calculates. It solves simple mathematical problems. Let us compare between a computer and a calculator. Computer, first, it is a big in size. Second, it has big screen. Third, it has different kinds of key in it, like letters, numbers, function, etc. Fourth, it is made with many equipments. It is used for writing letters, drawing pictures, calculating. Fifth, it has a huge memory. Calculator, first, it is small in size. Second, it has a small screen. Third, it has only numbers and keys. Fourth, it is a solo unit. Fifth, it is used for making simple and mathematical calculation. Sixth, it has limited memory. Now, features of a computer. The computer has the following features. First, speed. A computer works with great speed. Second, reliability. A computer never makes mistake in calculations. If you give it incorrect data, that it will give incorrect output. Third, high storage capacity. Computer has a huge memory. It can store several files of data in very less space. Fourth, automation. The functions of computer are automatic. If you will give it work once, then unless you stop it, it will continue to work. Fifth, versatile. Computer is used in different fields like engineering, medical, communication, invention, offices, etc. Computer is also used for playing games. Sixth, diligence. Computer continues to work with same speed and accuracy. It does not get tired like us. It never feels lazy like us. So this is the reading of the chapter. Now the reading is completed. You have to read this chapter at a glance. मतलब शॉर्ट में ही पूरे चैप्टर को समझाया है. नेक्स्ट में हम क्या करेंगे, इस चैप्टर की एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे. थैंक यू क्लास एंड हैव अ नाइस डे. गुड बाय.